Welcome to part 1 of creating a sticker design from scratch all the way to my Etsy shop. Let's get to it! I create my designs on my iPad with an app called Procreate. My screen size is 3500 by 3500 pixels. I'm making a round sticker, so to start I draw a circle. Hold it down so it'll create a perfect circle. Then I use the color drop to fill it in. Next, I add a new layer. I turn on the clipping mask, which will allow me to draw within the circle. I use the monoline brush to draw wavy lines and the brush pen to draw the white accent lines. I turn on my drawing guide so I can write the text as straight as possible. I add a new layer and it's time to write. It took me forever to figure out how I wanted it to look, so I just time-lapsed it. I add my white background by duplicating the pink circle, changing it to white, and then enlarging it. Oh, and turn off the original background, you won't want it there. Hit share and save as a PNG. I airdrop it to my MacBook. Like and follow to see part 2, sending it to Cricut Design Space. Part 2 of creating a sticker from scratch all the way to my Etsy shop. In this video, we're talking about getting the sticker onto Cricut Design Space. On the left sidebar, click Upload and then drag and drop your PNG file. Choose Complex and Continue and Save. If you've been following me, you know that I like to make a reference square to know how much I can fit on a printed sheet. 6.75 by 9.25 inches are the dimensions. Send the square to the back. Resize and duplicate your stickers. When you're done, click Select All, Attach, then Make It. It's ready to send to the printer. Like and follow for part 3, printing the stickers. In part 2, we uploaded the sticker to Cricut Design Space. In part 3, we'll print the sticker. After you click Make It, send it to the printer. Turn off Add Bleed, turn on System Dialog. The System Dialog will pop up on a separate screen. This is your printer settings, so you can choose your details like the types of paper and the quality. I head over to the printer and feed the sticker paper into the printer tray. My printer is a Canon TS6320. I love the LED status bar. It's so fun! Like and follow for part 4, cutting the stickers. We're almost an Etsy listing. Stay tuned! This is how I make my weatherproof glossy stickers. I use Avery self-adhesive laminating sheets, apply it inside the black registration lines, feed it through my laminator on the cold setting to get rid of any bubbles. It gives it extra protection and a nice glossy look.
Here's how I make my vinyl stickers for Etsy. I use an Apple Pencil and my favorite app, Procreate, to draw all my designs. Here's my best-selling design, the sunflower. Once I draw my design, I upload it to my computer using the JPEG file. Once it's on my computer, I use the website Sticker App. There's a lot of sticker websites, but this one's my favorite. I upload my file, and then I choose my sizing. This one's 3 inches, and then I hit cut line and hit small, so there's a thin white border around my design, but it's not too thick. After I place my order, I get them in the mail, and they are glossy coated vinyl, so they look really nice. They're waterproof, weatherproof, and dishwasher safe. Perfect for any surface.
Cricut tip: how to maximize your full page of printing and not waste any paper like that. So in your new project, go to Shapes and select the square. Unlock your dimensions so you can enter custom size. The width should be 6.75 inches and the height should be 9.25 inches. Then send your black rectangle to the back. This will help you visualize exactly how much you can put on your sheet. Now add, rearrange, duplicate your stickers, and try to fill as much of the black rectangle as possible to get the most out of your paper. Lastly, you don't have to delete the black rectangle because it's a cut image, so it won't print out, but I do anyway. There you go, that's it.
Hey guys, today I'm showing you why and how I use Canva.com to design all of my Cricut projects. Also be answering the question above because it's super important and I get it a lot. So the reason that I use Canva to design instead of in Design Space is it has many more free fonts and you do not have to weld all of the letters together. It's so easy. I just save my file from Canva as a PNG and then I go ahead and click Upload Image and I choose that and upload it into Cricut Design Space. You'll notice it still has the background. I hit Simple and then I use the Select tool and I select the background in any space that is white to make the background transparent. That way my Cricut will only cut this out. Canva has seriously saved me so much time and gave me so many beautiful fonts. If you guys found this helpful, make sure to follow me for more. And if you have any more Canva questions, drop them in the comments below.
Hi guys, I'm going to show you how I store my stickers and save so much space. First I start with a bunch of binder sheet protector, then I number my stickers for reference, then I use post-it flags and label each sheet protector, then I fill up all the sheet protectors with all of my stickers. Thanks for watching.
Hey, we got a good thing, don't know if I'ma see you again, but is that a good thing? Cause girl, I can't be your man, no man, I know what's on your brain, you probably hope it never would end. Like, is it the real thing, or is it just a one night stand? Well then, let me see you get